Now we will make Greek salad. We need tomato, cucumbers, bell peppers, onion, pickled olives, olive oil, lemon juice, salt and peppers.
Greek salad is a storehouse of vitamins, minerals, and trace elements. It not only tastes good but also brings great benefits to our body. Greek salad contains tomatoes, which contain lycopene, a powerful antioxidant. It helps to reduce the risk of developing diseases associated with the cardiovascular system and is also effective in the treatment of aging. The benefits of cucumbers are the presence of potassium and solution in the composition.